Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be teaching you how to download Google Chrome. First of all, we want to open up Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser that comes to your PC. We then want to type in Google Chrome, just like that. Then you want to click the very first thing that pops up. It's going to take you to a page, and then you hit the big blue download Chrome button. Basically, it's going to download the setup.exe. And then when it's downloaded, you can either double click or hit open file. So I'm going to open you up with the setup, just hit yes when it pops up. It's now going to pop up with the setup window. Just let it download. Alright, when it's downloaded, it's going to open up Google Chrome, as you can see. You can just double click to full screen it. Now you can either sign in with your Google account, or you can just use it as a guest like this, and every time you open it, it will open it up in the Google default browser, as you can see here. If we just type up Google Chrome, hit enter, it's going to search up, and now you can just search whatever we want. Right, well, I hope this video has helped you today. If it has, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing. I've got a load of other how-to videos on my channel that may just help out you. Thanks for watching, I'll see you later.